Alright guys, we are working on Volkswagen Passat 2016. So customer has a key, we just want to add the key in the control. And we're gonna use the Autel IM508S, and we're gonna use this one. You need this one too, the programmer. Alright, so first, and this is add a key, so all key loss. I'm not sure if you can do it by the OBD. Alright, let's go ahead and click on IMO, and then we go to VIN, auto detect. Alright, click OK. We go to US. We are in US. Well, let's choose whatever. Let's choose this one first. Yes. And now we're gonna go to control unit. I prefer go to control unit most of the time. And if you wanna check the remote first, you can do it from here. Or if you want to program it, to make sure first you can pull the IMO data. So click Immobilizer, auto,
You don't know what that means?
Like, again,
detect.
that doesn't do anything for me. I don't know why you set this standard of, let's be polite, let's be respectful. I asked you to clarify your position, and you're like, oh, I just can't stand you.
And
Like, give me a
then you
break.
click.
So, what I mean is if you make a choice, are you responsible for that choice?
I'm asking you what that means.
So you can click read the IMO data or pick up the IMO data.
So I've always wanted to be a
So
wife and
let's
a
go
mom,
pick up
which
the
is
IMO data
why,
first. And then here, save the name.
All joking aside, because
We just put whatever 501. So the ignition need to be on. So here just try the first one, type 1. If it didn't pick it up, you try the type 2. Alright, so and this one's gonna turn off. That's fine. And you see now we come back to the live. Back up successfully. So now it's successfully backed up. So if, just in case if you made some mistake, you exit, you just click load. Alright, now what you gotta do, you gotta go to make a dealer key. So you make a dealer key, you have to make a dealer key. Hold on, this, I think we have to load it. Just load the data, click OK. And then you choose, you just name it. The name. Alright, that one. Click on it, click OK. Alright, you click OK. Here we go. Now what you do, make a dealer key. You put your key inside the programmer, just like this. Just your key, don't put the original one. Any new key, you have to put it there. Yeah, you click OK. Alright, generate success. And after you generate it, now we go to learn key. Alright, let me go cut it and I come back. Alright, come to the machine. I had the condor. And then we go to automotive, go branded, we go, RPN, down Volkswagen. Here we look for Passat. Alright, that one. And then you gotta look for the year, which is that one. And here, just remember where it's showing you. Alright, and I had a lot of mistake with this, so you gotta put the shorters. Let me show you. See the key? It has a shorter here. So you gotta go with B. And you gotta push the shorter all the way to touch. Let me put it. Alright, so you see the shorter, just like that. You don't care about those numbers here, the 1 or 2 lines, just the shorter. If you don't put it on the shorter, it will cut it wrong. It will not work. Alright, now we go decode. So we decode it. Make sure we get the code, and then we cut that one. And this is the FCC number. Alright. Click OK, exit just in case, click Fight Bidding. Here we go. Right. Put the new one. Alright, just make sure when you finish it, you flip it. So cut it to the other side. Alright, we got the key being cut and good to go. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go just key learning, and here you gotta be careful a little bit. So is the car equipped with the smart key? No. So here you always have to program all the keys. The customer has like 5 keys, all of them one time. At least we'll delete it. Click OK. Alright, you see the number here changed to 1. That means that one is program automatic. And now take it off, you put the second one in, turn the ignition on, and you're gonna say program success. Alright, complete. So turn the ignition off and then turn the ignition on. Perfect. Alright, now we have to program the control. Just exit, you go to remote system. You click OK. So here you go, add remote control. Press unlock on the car. Click OK. And how many control? Always, if you have 2, you just, well, you have the max is 4. So click, we have 1, then we press 1. Remote control added, finished. That's it. You press just 1 button. And now we take the ignition off. Close the door and check it out. And now we start the car with it. Hold the brake. You gotta hold the brake. Those German car will not start without holding the brake. It is. Check both keys. Alright guys, that's how you do it technically. All key loss is different situation. Alright, if you like it, please like, subscribe, thank you.